Kajingelang Kanhun Menteri ke Sorkar Jylla hak janmit santarik rempang ajar penriu. Kalau menjuri kejingon ra structured pay framework nak bentak Nonghikai halal ka fix pay nak tenat pulih. Kani ke framework kandai nak bentak Nonghikai ke badan kemba arflay ajar kandai pendai ngot ketup Nonghikai Adhoc bat SSA ki bayo mensyuat ki krain aid lani kir komsiu ki beper po ki kendon SSA nak Sorkar India. Menteri rang ba ke Jylla ko kisang ma long ba din riu banai ki cingithir ke Sorkar kala mencuri ke framework ban Treikam du strek uyong ajar penriu harangkat kemang tengka ba praspa khatnyo klur sistem nak Sorkar Jylla.
The proposal for introduction of a structured pay framework for fixed pay teachers under the education department. As you're aware, this decision is decision where the ad hoc teachers and the SSA teachers mainly, numbering approximately 23,099 who were receiving grant in aid, and of course in SSA case they were receiving also the structure that was proposed from and cleared by Government of India. And different structures were being given to different teachers, and hence there has been a demand for a very long time that there should be some kind of a structured pay. A framework should be created, and there should be some kind of security in terms of the job for the concerned teacher. For the last 6 months we have been in discussion with the different teachers and different associations. And before Christmas, we had announced the decision to go ahead with the structured pay frame. The numbers were finalized during that time, and I did not announce the numbers then because we had not approved it in the cabinet. But I can share with you that we have today approved the same proposal that was there in the cabinet today. And in the next 2 months, we will work out the nitty-gritties of other important interventions that need to be taken, because this is a reform that we're doing, and the reform will have multiple aspects. And hence, while we give the teachers their salary package, the structured pay framework, there are other structures or restructuring that will take place within the schools also. So all of this will happen in the next 60 days, and we will be implementing the new structured pay framework by 1st of April 2026. The total amount that will be spent on giving this structured pay framework to teachers is approximately 817 crores will be the annual impact on the state government. It has to come from our own resources and the taxes that the share of central taxes that we get. So all of that will have to be brought in. But as I said, this is being done from a larger scale of. But again, let me just add that to you that basically even now we spend 600 crores. We spend only on SSA and Adhoc teachers. So the additional amount is 200 plus. So it's not that we have to spend additional 800. So the total cost is going to be 800, about 15-16 crores based on this current estimates that we've made. So you can say 800 plus minus. And currently we're paying about 600. So the additional amount of 200 is required, which is roughly boiling down to about 12 crores additional amount in a month. 12-15 crores additional in a month has to be paid. So that is the impact on us. But as I said, it is still a large amount, and mostly it will come from states' resources. Mostly it will come from our share of central taxes, and obviously we'll have to work towards increasing our revenue. I've already told you that the Finance Commission recommendations have not gone well for the smaller states. All the small states have suffered. In fact, the biggest impact is going to be on other northeastern states like Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh and Tripura. We are slightly better off, but still we are also negatively impacted.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi panai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya